Hello everyone, it's me Ankita Mehta and you're watching Beginner Archives, and today's video is all about drawing an Indian woman, and this artwork is gonna be one of my most detailed artworks. So let's get started and hope for the best. So first of all, let's talk about the material details. First is Faber-Castell graphite pencil, second is Sakura white gel pen, third is makeup brush, fourth is Tombow mono eraser, fifth is cotton earbud, and sixth is A3 size Brewster art copy. And I mistakenly deleted the video of the face portion, so I'm continuing the video from this portion only. So let's get started. Here I am using charcoal pencil for defining the darker portions of the jewelry. And for defining the details, I am using 2B grade graphite pencil. So here I am using Tombow mono eraser for adding designs in the cloth. I'm using cotton earbud for blending purpose. I'm using 2B grade pencil for adding the first layer and then blending it with cotton earbud. Here I am using medium grade charcoal pencil and blending it with makeup brush. Here I am using tissue paper after makeup brush for extra smoothing. For adding floral designs, I am using pencil eraser. You can also use Tombow eraser for that. I'm using Tombow mono eraser for net-like texture, and I'm using black pencil color for darkening the net strands. So hope you enjoyed watching this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.